Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore the concept of quality in Agile software development. We'll discuss building quality into the process through both specific practices and cultivating a supportive culture. So, what exactly does quality mean in an Agile context? First, it's about delivering value to customers early and continuously, not just at the end of a long development cycle. Second, we focus on building quality directly into the product from the beginning rather than trying to inspect and add it later. Third, quality becomes a shared responsibility across the entire team, not just the job of a separate quality assurance department. Finally, it is about continuous improvement through feedback loops at every stage. Let's compare traditional and Agile approaches to quality. In traditional methods, quality control often happens at the very end of the development process, with a separate quality assurance department responsible for testing. Testing is treated as a distinct phase, and the primary goal is to detect defects. Agile, on the other hand, emphasizes built-in quality from the very start. The entire team shares responsibility for ensuring quality. Continuous testing is integrated throughout the development lifecycle, and the focus shifts to preventing defects in the first place. Now let's explore some core practices that help ensure quality in Agile. First, user stories. They should have clear acceptance criteria and a well-defined definition of done. Second, test-driven development and behavior-driven development. These development approaches lead to more robust and reliable code. Third, continuous integration and continuous delivery. This automates the building, testing, and deployment processes, allowing for faster feedback and fewer errors. Fourth, pair programming. Collaborative coding where two developers work together on the same code, leading to better quality and knowledge sharing. Fifth, code reviews. Peer reviews help in identifying potential issues. Sixth, sprint reviews. Regular feedback and validation with stakeholders ensures that the product meets their expectations. Let's take a closer look at test-driven development, or TDD. TDD follows a simple cycle. First, red, write a test that fails. Second, green, write the minimum amount of code necessary to pass the failing test. Third, refactor, improve the code structure and design without changing its behavior. The benefits of TDD include better design, fewer defects, living documentation in the form of tests, and more confident refactoring. The test automation pyramid is a helpful model for planning your testing strategy. At the base of the pyramid, we have unit tests, which should be the most numerous. They are fast, isolated, and test individual units of code. In the middle, we have integration tests, which verify the interactions between different components of the system. At the top, we have end-to-end tests, also known as E2E tests, which simulate user journeys and are the most expensive and time-consuming to run. Continuous integration, also known as CI, and continuous delivery, also known as CD, are essential practices for achieving quality in Agile. CI and CD involves automating the software pipeline from code commit to deployment. A typical pipeline includes steps like code, build, test, and deploy. The benefits of CI and CD include rapid feedback on code changes, early detection of defects, automated quality gates, and consistent deployable artifacts. Building a culture of quality is just as important as implementing specific practices. A quality culture includes elements like shared ownership, where everyone feels responsible for quality, continuous learning, where team members are constantly seeking to improve their skills and knowledge, clear standards where expectations for quality are well defined, recognition, where achievements in quality are celebrated, open communication where team members feel comfortable raising concerns about quality, continuous improvement, where the team is always looking for ways to improve their processes. Some of the key principles include everyone is responsible for quality, quality is built in, not inspected in, celebrate quality achievements, and learn from failures without blame. While focusing on metrics, consider the following: defect escape rate, which measures the number of defects found in production versus those found during testing. Lead time, the time it takes from code commit to production deployment. Test coverage, the percentage of code covered by automated tests. And finally, customer satisfaction, which measures user feedback and Net Promoter Scores, also known as NPS scores. It's important to focus on metrics that drive behavior towards better quality outcomes. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this video. First, quality is everyone's responsibility, not just the quality assurance department. Second, build quality in from the start rather than trying to add it later. Third, automate testing and deployment to enable faster feedback and more reliable releases. Fourth, embrace continuous improvement by constantly seeking ways to enhance your processes. Fifth, foster a culture of quality where everyone is committed to delivering excellent products. To conclude, let's remember the words of Aristotle: quality is not an act, it is a habit. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.